Did you know selling your home yourself could save you enough to buy a brand new car? Let me tell you, I've been a realtor in British Columbia for over 20 years, and the number of homeowners ditching agents to go solo these days, it's wild. But here's the kicker. Most folks don't realize it's not just about slapping a for sale sign on the lawn and praying. Last month, a client of mine, let's call her Sarah, decided to sell her condo herself. She priced it right, nailed the staging, and ended up saving enough in commissions to fund her entire kitchen renovation. But let me be honest, she also pulled her hair out negotiating with buyers who lowballed her at midnight. Here's the thing, pricing your home isn't guesswork. You wouldn't sell a vintage car without checking its value, right? Same logic. Dive into recent sales in your area, use online tools, and if you're sweating it, hire an appraiser for a flat fee. Oh, and overprice? Buyers ghost faster than a bad Tinder date. Underprice? You're leaving cash on the table. Goldilocks had it right. Aim for just right. Now, marketing. 90% of buyers start their hunt online, so your listing better shine. Think SEO friendly descriptions, professional photos, and a virtual tour that doesn't look like it was filmed on a flip phone. List on MLS through a flat fee service. Trust me, it's worth every penny. Negotiation? That's where the rubber meets the road. Channel your inner poker face. Start high. Expect low balls and counteroffer like you've got options, because you do. Patience is key. One buyer dragged Sarah through 3 weeks of back and forth before caving. And don't skip the legal stuff. Paperwork's a minefield. Miss a disclosure? Lawsuit city. A real estate attorney's your best friend here. They'll dot the I's and keep you out of court. Look, going solo is not for everyone. It's sweat equity versus saved cash. But if you've got the grit, the payoff's sweet. Ever tackled a DIY project that made you proud? This is the real estate version. So, what's your style? Hands-on hero or hire a pro? Either way, knowledge is power. If you want to read more about this topic, see the link in the description. Like and subscribe, or the algorithm will replace me with a ChatGPT generated realtor named Robo Richard.